Yeah, I still think that the asphalt shingle systems remain the most affordable and the ones that make the most sense. Even with a detached garage, I would recommend the lifetime architectural shingles that Owens Corning provides, or GAF Corporation with their Owens Corning with their Duration, or GAF with their Timberline HD. There really isn't a more cost-effective value, in my opinion, than those systems. Especially if it's a detached building, they won't view it the same as the main dwelling's roof system. And what I see probably more often than not is, yeah, we get a new roof on the house, but I'm not so worried about the one on the garage, so they let it go. And so where if the house needed a new system, that detached building more than likely needed it as well. But since they can separate them in that way, they'll forego replacing the one on the detached garage. I mean, I don't think we struggle with that too awful much, because especially nowadays, even with your detached structures, people are doing more and more inside those structures. And so just like the priority you give to your home, you don't want leaks, because that leads to other repairs or mold or mildew and things that'll happen inside the home. We don't want that happening in our garage either. And so it hasn't been a struggle for us really to have a good conversation around that detached garage and why it would be important to let's put the same roof system on, one that's going to last and you're not going to have to worry about, because you don't want those same issues in that area either.